Welcome to the video. If you're still using Google Container Registry, you need to migrate to Artifact Registry before March 18, 2025, because GCR is being deprecated. In this video, we'll walk you through common errors you may encounter during the migration process as guided by GCP documentations, and how to fix them step by step. Due to the data privacy concerns, I have uploaded some of the content. This command attempts to transfer your container images from GCR.io to the corresponding Artifact Registry locations. If everything goes well, the process begins copying your images. But as you'll see, errors can occur. Let's troubleshoot them one by one. In our case, we got the error. The Artifact Registry service account doesn't have access for copying images. To fix the issue, they suggested the command by themselves followed by the error as this, and asking to rerun the previous command. After running the command, we hit another roadblock. Invalid_argument, policy members must be of the form type with value. I have repeated previous steps multiple times and I have speed forwarded the video due to that. Finally, I found the GCP article for as this, and it says this command will create the necessary service account. So we tried that command and it has been asked to install the cloud beta components to proceed. After installing the cloud beta components, it has been successfully worked as displayed. Then it asking for potential IAM changes for GCR.io repository in the project with their suggestions. The suggested IAM policy will grant users the ability to perform all actions in Artifact Registry that they can currently perform in Container Registry. This policy may allow access that was previously prevented by deny policies or IAM conditions. I applied the same policy by entering 1. The same thing asking for all the host locations, repeated the same answer for each. Finally, it has been migrated to Artifact Registry without any downtime or service disruption. Get ready for the transition. GCR will be deprecated on March 18, 2025, so start migrating now. Please let me know by a comment if you encountered with any other error or need any assist on this. Let's troubleshoot anything together. And don't forget to let me know if you have successfully migrated to Artifact Registry. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more DevOps and cloud tips. Happy coding!